I'm going to show you how to upload a recommendation form and also fill out a Common App form for your students. First, you would go to the Naviance website. Your account is JPII. Your username will be the first initial of your first name, followed by your last name, and then for your password, you can fill in whatever password you have chosen. From here, you will go to Manage and complete your college recommendations. I'm going to prepare a form for Eric No, so I'm going to click Prepare Forms. From this screen, you will need to click Prepare. And now we have our options. Eric doesn't have any teacher documents added right now, so I'm going to click Add, and then I will upload a file. I'm going to choose all applications, so if the student instructs you only to send to one or another, you can certainly select that, but I'm going to select all. And this will be a letter of recommendation. So make sure that you go on these drop-down menus and select the choice. Even though there's only one, you do have to change that to letter of recommendation. Now I can browse from my computer. I have a folder of recommendation letters that are written, so I'm just going to go here and find Eric's name and double click on that, and then from this point I can upload the file. You'll get this little swirly like your computer is thinking. It's upload pending, which is fine. The letter will show up and you'll see your name written, so we'll come back to that. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do a Common Apps form. So we'll click, oh, there it is. So recommendation letter done. If you do get to this point and you need to view or replace or delete, if you find out later perhaps you've made a typo in the letter and you want to make those changes, you can come back and do those things here and then follow the same procedure for uploading your letter. Okay, so for the Common App form, I'm going to click Add, and this time we're going to select Prepare a Form. The form type, again, there's only one choice, but you do want to make sure that you select the Common App Teacher Evaluation, and then we're going to prepare our form. From this point, you can also select the universities if you would like. I'm just going to hit all applications. Then you will start filling out the information in the boxes. So I filled out how long I've known the student and in what context, and then you can choose words that first come to your mind to describe the student. For the subject, make sure that you select your department and then what year you taught the student and for what class. Now the tricky part is going to be here for the ratings. A lot of people skip over this, but this is where you're actually going, sorry for the bell, this is where you are going to need to click yes. Even though it sounds a little funny, we don't complete the applicant's academic ratings, you do need to choose yes at this point so that you can go through and fill out this form, and then when you get to the end, your information is auto-filled and you will click Save. So once you have filled out all of the information and you click Save, it'll take you back to this screen and you can see that your Common App Teacher Evaluation and your letter of recommendation are uploaded properly. If you do need to go back and manage your applications, I typically click on the Naviance logo and then Teacher Recommendations, and that'll take you back to this screen. And you can see the nearest deadline for your different students. You can view their applications or prepare their forms, and then it lets you know when it's completed on your end. Good luck.